What is up, YouTube? This is Stick Welding 24/7. We're gonna weld with a 7018 Lincoln Excalibur AC rods that's also good with DC positive, and we're gonna weld up an N1 exhaust silencer removal tool. In the previous video, you guys seen me create this thing here for my exhaust so I can get it out of the thing, and I'm hoping it holds. As you can see, the bead is all the way around the piece. I used an old tool and an old screw to do the project, but I'm gonna run out some more of this 7018 for you guys real quick. Let's do it. This is a 1/8 rod, 66 amps, DC electrode positive. And it just comes right off. I'm gonna run one more for you guys, and I'm done. Slab. 7018 is known for that, people. Here we go. Just beautiful under the hood. Check this out, guys. I gotta bring you guys in close. Check this out. Look at my beautiful beads now. Oh my goodness, this is just beautiful. The Everlast 140 ST, DC electrode positive, 66 amps, 100% Dewey cycle. This is unbelievable. Let's pull that slag off. Look how beautiful this bead is. Some of them have slag inclusions and a little bit of pinholes in it because the steel is dirty. But check out these beads. That is beautiful. Way better than my last video. Pretty much, this is the finished product. I'm gonna show you guys how I did it. .18 7018. What is up, everybody? This is Stick Welding 24/7. Stick Welding out of the Costa Welding School. This is John 204. John 204 Productive Touch at its finest. I'm going to use this tool right here to get the exhaust part out of the back of my car here. And when I purchased this exhaust, the tool did not come with it. They let you put it in there and pull it out. So I'm going to use some of these rods here, test them out, and see which ones I can use to make this tool. Simple tool. The Everlast PowerArc 140 ST is a dual voltage welder that has 220 and 110. In this case, I was using 110, and I set up the DC electrode positive, which is reverse polarity, and I set it to 66 amps using the Lincoln Excalibur 7018 AC rod. Let's see where we at, people. Remember to put your helmet in weld mode. Helmets in weld mode. It is auto darkening. See where we at. do not have my chipping hammer with me, so keep this away from the ground. Oh, that falls out perfect. I got it set right, baby. But we gotta make a tool. That's the whole purpose of this. That's why I was testing the 7018. And you also gotta remember that the 7018 has terrible slag, so that slag has to come off first. So this is gonna be the base tool that I'm gonna use, but I need to find a piece, weld it properly. So I'm thinking a screw. The tool can be tacked. So let's do it. That's one tack. Let it cool. Let's see the YouTube. Let's see the outcome of the tool that I created. You're gonna be successful for me, right? Yes, success. I've created a successful tool. Come on out of there now. Yes, with a little bit of welding, and a little bit of training, and a little bit of stick welding, you can always get the job done. That could not be done with MIG. It probably could be done with TIG, but TIG's a stronger process than MIG. But I chose stick in this process because it's had the deep penetration. It actually fused to the screw very well. Look at the bead. It fused very well. That was Excalibur 7018 AC rod, which is DC positive as well. Oh my God, what success does with welding. I'm Stick Welding 24/7. Peace out.